Okay.
So, what's your name?
Judy Shackleton.
What school did you go to?
I went to undergrad at UC Berkeley
Okay.
and master's at Stanford.
And what was your degree in?
I have a degree in industrial engineering and operations research for my undergrad, and my master's is industrial engineering with a manufacturing emphasis.
Okay. So, what did you do after college? Where did you work?
When I graduated from college, I went to work for Procter & Gamble in their manufacturing plant in Modesto, California. And at that plant, we made Pampers and Loves and adult diapers at that time. And I worked as a process engineer on the line, helping, and the primary focus of the job at that time was to help look for ways to improve quality, improve process, reduce cost on the operating line.
Okay. So, what was your average salary back then for industrial engineering?
Oh, gosh. I think coming out of college, it was maybe $60,000 a year. I think it was something like that. I don't know exactly.
Awesome.
Sorry.
That's all good. Do you have any recommendations for me looking into industrial engineering?
Well, I will say that the reason I chose industrial engineering, I had originally been civil engineering when I went to school because my parents said, if you want to do engineering, you should apply into engineering because it's easier to get in out of high school. And then I did an internship with Bechtel Petroleum, and I decided that industrial engineering really wasn't for me. That civil engineering wasn't for me because I worked and went to different like oil tanks and tested them, and it just wasn't enough excitement and people interaction. And so the reason I worked in the manufacturing environment, and I loved it. Every day was different. Every day you had a different problem to solve. You got to work with people from all background levels. I think I really figure out what it is that you like. Would be to decide what kind of want to be able to solve problems every day and feel valued and feel like I was contributing. I started as a process engineer and eventually went into like operations management. So managing the operating teams and then supply chain management. The thing that's great about industrial engineering is you can go so many different ways.
Yeah.
And I think our company hired all engineers from all engineers knew how to think and solve problems. And then once you got there, you didn't necessarily use, unless you were electrical, you didn't use a lot of your engineering technical skill as much as you used your ability to think and problem solve. So I loved it. I absolutely loved my 13 years that I worked in that field.
Awesome. Thank you. Oh, no.
Did not work.
No, I got a minute 50. I'll just submit that. You won't watch it.
We can start over and do it again. Let's see how far you got.
I got all of it. I think it's just buffering.
Let's see. What kind of computer is that? Mac? Mm-hmm. MacBook. Is that your school one?
I didn't get a school one.
Because you had one?
Because I was too old. I'm the year above.
Oh my gosh.
I know. It was not fun. But like the issue with my year is that I'm the year that they trade everything to technology based.
Okay.
But I don't get technology through the school.
That's crazy. Okay, that worked.
Oh, yeah, it did. Awesome.